Today on the show we're going to be talking about Sanger sequencing. Now Sanger sequencing is what you do when you're trying to find out the sequence of a DNA. Now let's just paint ourselves a little DNA strand right now. And just in Sanger sequencing you're going to have 4 tubes. Each one of those tubes you're going to put a whole lot of DNA strands, the ones that you want to figure out. But you got to put a little bit else in there. So first we're going to add ourselves some deoxynucleotide triphosphates. All 4 of them. Each one of the 4 in DNA. Just going to fill up the page with these little duders. And and now we're also going to add ourselves some DNA primers so we can get our sequencing started. Just like that. So we're just going to show our next piece of the puzzle, DNA polymerase, with some burnt umber. Like so, yeah. It's a great color. Now DNA polymerase is going to add in each one of those little nucleotides we see right there, all complementary to our original DNA strand. But we also got to add in some deoxynucleotides. And see, they're special because DNA polymerase can't add on to them because they don't have a 3' OH group at the end. And so to symbolize them, make them a little different, we'll just show them as a big old tree, like so. Alright. Now dideoxynucleotides, we're going to only add 1 of each of them in our test tube right here, and then each of the 4 test tubes will have a different one. So let's just pretend we have adenine in here.
Now we're going to use our 2-inch brush, and as the polymerase goes on, it's going to add in the DNTPs, because you know we've got a lot of these little duders right here. It's going to keep on adding till eventually one of these DDNTPs is going to come in. We're going to draw this a big old tree, a nice big old tree right here. The beauty of the DDNTP is the polymerase can't go past it. It'll just stop right there. And like we said, we got millions of these sequences here. So we'll just go right there, and who knows, this is your world. You can do what you want. Stop right there. There's my adenine base pair right there. And it's your world, so don't be afraid of mistakes. No such thing as mistakes, just happy mutations. Maybe got a longer one right here with a big old tree right there. And when we mix these in with all the other 4 tubes, that means we'll have every single nucleotide sequence there. As we run it through the electrophoresis side by side, we'll know where every single nucleotide is. So now to set up the electrophoresis, we're just going to do a couple finishing touches here. Alright, with our finishing touches, we see the complete electrophoresis. We got all the wells divided by size, larger at the top, smaller at the bottom to the positive end. Now, the anode down there. And basically, you can read the complementary strand straight up. You read A, T, G, C, so on and so forth, with the 5' end down here. And if you want to find the original strand, you just put the complements together. And that's electrophoresis with Sanger sequence. And remember, always clean off your brush. Just dip it in the water down there. Just beat the devil out of it. I like that. That's all for today. God bless. Happy painting. And we'll see you next time.